Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Before I even start, I just want to request each one of you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because I'm pretty sure all these videos are going to add a lot of value to you and whatever you are doing. This video is about two very important things. Firstly, before I even start to go on and helping you guys prepare for CUET exams, it is very important that we all actually understand the structure of Christ University entrance test. Along with that, how is it held and what is it that you guys have to do. After that, I will also be telling you guys of how students are actually selected at Christ University. I feel that a lot of you people are not very clear about the whole process and the structure of the selection. So even before we actually start preparing for the exam, we should really know what the exam is, how is it conducted, and how is it that you can actually make it and get admission to Christ University. So please make sure you watch this video till the very end, because I'm pretty sure there are a lot of value bombs which you will definitely be benefited out of. So now let's get started. The first and foremost thing that you have to understand for all the people who have the Christ University entrance test is that you would have your entrance exam. Along with that, you would have your micro presentation and personal interview. Micro presentation usually is for about 90 seconds and the personal interview time is around 10 minutes, but it can go higher to 20-25 minutes and even lesser to 7 minutes or 8 minutes. That really depends on your interview and the interviewer. Along with that, here are a very few important things that you should note is that the date and the time for selection process are auto-generated by the system. Therefore, any request for changes will not be entertained, which means that after the university has generated the particular date and the time for your selection process, you cannot change it. It means that if they say that your interview is on the 21st of March at 4 p.m., that means that it is at 4 p.m. and it is in very rare circumstances that they actually change it. And I'm pretty sure you guys would not want to get into that hassle, because you would have to write emails to the university, you have to wait for your reply and all of that. So let's not even get into that. Along with that, if you don't appear for the selection process at the stipulated date and time, you will be considered non-selected. Though as candidates, you have to show your original government recognized ID proof before you even get started for the whole selection process. Now, all original class 10th, class 12th degree marks card should be available for verification during the personal interview round. Now, I know for a lot of you people, you do not have your class 12 marks because you are actually currently going through that and then you will be appearing for boards later on. But for now, you can just keep in handy the results of whatever previous exam that you've given. Assuming if you've given your class 11 final year exams and you have the result and the mark sheet, keep that with you and use that for current purposes. So whatever last marks you have, use those. These were the few important instructions. But in general, to clear it off of how CUET exam is going to be conducted. So guys, the Christ University entrance test this year is also going to be conducted online, and it is going to be some or the other platform. Like for all those people who appeared in 2020, they know that it was held through Talview platform, which is like a test conducting software and a company. So it is on their platform that you actually have to go log in and give your exam. Your webcams will be turned on during the whole duration of your entrance test, and there will be a proctor who will be monitoring you, so you cannot cheat and do any of that, and you cannot even open another tab. There will be a timer which will be on your screen, and you can switch between different sections, but after the whole time, which is like duration of the test, which say is about 2 hours, after that your test will automatically get submitted. So you have to make it within the time. Along with your CUET, you would have your micro presentation and personal interview. For those who don't know what a micro presentation is a criteria for you to get selected at Christ University. What it generally means is that your interviewer will give you a topic. He will give you about 30 seconds to prepare for that topic, and then you have to go on to talk about that topic for 90 seconds. I think for everybody, micro presentation is there in their selection criteria, so you might as well be very prepared for it. And personal interview, like you all would know, is your general interview with the interviewer. The interviewer is generally a faculty member from Christ University who would be conducting your interview. I guess all these things are pretty clear to each one of you. If they are not, you can just drop down any doubts you have in the comment section below and I'll try replying to the same. Now comes the very important question of how exactly a student is selected at Christ University. I know you guys have a lot of preconceived notions that only the people who clear the CUET exam get through the next round, which is of micro presentation and personal interview. But unfortunately, this is not the case. So for all those people who have registered with Christ University on their application portal, each one of you will have a chance to give your CUET exams along with your micro presentation and personal interview. So that means if you have paid that amount of registering to Christ University, you will be seated through all these things, all these three things. Okay, so it really doesn't mean that if you only get selected after CUET exam is when you get the chance to be sitting for micro presentation and personal interview. No. Now I know that a lot of you people are still not clear of how exactly a student is selected. Like, is there a cutoff for CUET? What is the mark sheet for micro presentation? What is the mark sheet for personal interview? But unfortunately, these are the things which I guess only the university knows about. Till date today, nobody knows how exactly the students are selected at Christ University. So, which means that you, even after you're selected at Christ University, you would not know how much marks did you score for your CUET exams. You would also not know how much you've scored for your micro presentation or your personal interview. So later on, after you've been through the CUET exam, the micro presentation and the personal interview, the final result which comes is as selected or not selected. So there will be no breakup of how things are. So we actually don't know, does CUET carry more weightage than micro presentation, or is personal interview the only thing that you have to prepare about and go on preparing for? So these are the questions, the answers of which nobody has. As far as my personal experience goes, I think that yes, personal interview and micro presentation play a huge role in you getting selected, because Christ University gives a lot of importance to skill set of a student, and they highly depend upon communication skills and how the person is conducting himself or herself while the interview and micro presentation as a big criteria for getting selected at Christ University. However, that really does not mean that you guys should not prepare for your CUET exams. I guess CUET exams, if not more, are equally important for the whole selection process. So I hope this clarifies all your doubts in terms of how you are actually selected at Christ University and how the whole process of CUET exams and your micro presentation and personal interview is held. And yes, one very important thing, even your micro presentation and personal interview this time will be conducted online, which means that the university will share you a Google link. You log into that link 15 minutes before the time. Like say if your interview is 2 p.m. in the afternoon, then you log in at 1:45, go about to check your web camera, check your microphone and get ready. Around 2 p.m. is when your interviewer, who is going to conduct the interview, logs in, and then you have an interview with him or her. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video clarifies a lot of your doubts, because before we start actually preparing for the exam and the whole process, it is very important that you guys should have a basic and a fair idea of how things are actually conducted. If you have any doubts, questions or queries, make sure you comment below on this video so that I can reply to those comments. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can with everybody whom you think is going to get benefited out of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.